guided meditation, activating love and balance between giving and taking. Close your eyes and allow your body to rest. Feel the contact with the earth, with the surface that supports you right now. Breathe in slowly and deeply, as if each inhalation were bringing new life, and each exhalation released what feels heavy or no longer serves you. With every breath, feel yourself returning to your center. Your body softens, your mind quiets, and your heart begins to open. Balance blooms in yourself with each and every breath you take. Inhale. Place your hands now over your chest and feel the warmth radiating from them. Realizing that beneath your hands, your heart beats, an endless source of life and love. Imagine a gentle, warm light glowing inside your chest. With each inhalation, that light expands, filling you with tenderness, well-being, and presence. This is your essential love, not the love that strives or that seeks, but the love that simply is, the one that whispers, I am enough, I am life, I am part of the flow of life, I am. Stay here for a few moments and continue breathing. Breathing into that light, letting it expand throughout your entire body. And now I will slowly ask you to turn around your hands and put them on top of your legs. Open your palms upward, facing up, and imagine a luminous current of energy moving between them in a living rhythm, flowing back and forth. The right hand represents the receiving, welcoming love, support, blessings, and resources. And the left hand represents giving, offering love, presence, care, and time. Notice how the energy enters through your right hand, taking gratitude, and flows out through your left hand, giving it with freedom. Inhale and feel the energy entering. Exhale and feel it flowing outwards. A natural dance like the ocean's waves. No effort, only movement, the more you allow it in, the more it flows. The more it flows, the more life it generates. The more I allow energy to circulate, the more love, health, and abundance grow within me. Feel these circuits expanding more and more with each and every breath. The flow is no longer just between your hands. It moves through your entire body, entering through your right hand, passing through your heart, leaving through your left hand and returning again, back and forth, and your breath follows this natural rhythm, in and out, receiving and offering in perfect harmony. Imagine this energy becoming brighter, lighter, more radiant. It cleanses, nourishes, and regenerates every cell of your body. You are part of a vast universal current. Feel the connection between the current and you and something bigger. Everything you give returns in another form, multiplied. Everything you take multiplies when you share it. Bring both hands back to your heart. Feel the warmth, the beat, the stillness. Breathe there for a few moments. Sense within you a quiet wisdom that knows the natural balance of life. Repeat inwardly, I am a flow of love. I give with freedom. I take with gratitude. The more I receive, the more I have to give. I am a flow of love. I give with freedom. I take with gratitude. The more I receive, the more I have to give. Let these words root in you like a seed. And when ready, return gently into your breath, into your body, to the presence of this moment. Open your eyes softly, keeping alive the feeling of circulation, fullness, and peace.